Hi everyone, so we're here for the SAT question of the day for September 16th, 2011. 68% of students got this one right. And it's a math question. Let's go ahead and read it. Add 8x to 2x and then subtract 5 from the sum. If x is a positive integer, the result must be an integer multiple of. Okay. So add 8x to 2x and then subtract 5 from the sum. Okay, so let's do that. So 8x plus 2x equals 10x, right? And then they want us to subtract 5 from the sum. So then we have 10x minus 5. And so the question is, the result, which is this, 10x minus 5, must be an integer multiple of. Okay, so the question is, what is this always going to be a multiple of? Okay, well, it depends on how you think of it. There's a couple ways to look at this. For one, you're going to have a multiple of 10 as the first term, and then you're going to be subtracting 5. So like, for example, if x were 1, it would be 10 minus 5 is 5. So if x is equal to 1, the whole thing equals 5. You know, if x were equal to 2, the whole thing would be equal to 15. If x were equal to 3, the whole thing would be equal to 25. As you can see, there's only one number that's a multiple of all three of these numbers, which is the number 5. Right? So that's one way of going about it. A secondary way would be to see if you can factor the original answer. 10x minus 5 can be factored, and it turns out you can factor out a 5, which makes sense, because after all, that's the answer. So how many times does 5 go into 10x? 2x, and then minus 1, right? So it proves that it's going to be a multiple of 5.